Kublai pi baro at ngapdiang snobhai pi shakane ka YouTube channel jonga Aloysius Papang. Paralo kalong na si ka kabakam snow palabat kabangi habban yaro habawat kiwai ki jai bandiu ki bamdai ki trajala ni ki khasi. Hala ijong ibor bat jingla barit jongki kila persang ban Nongthohkot bat hakaktin khasi kum ka jingno senyang jongki ban penduspa ya ka Thoh kata khasi lani ka khasi literature ngasngo kumen bangayo ban ya kandu ya iwei irangba ibarayaw ba hakrata lakum ba prapos nem bat ita idei isa prabhat kan tipol idei retired engineer jong katnat PWD ke Sarkar Meghalaya bat idei ro iwei na ki khrap perkhat bat Nongthohkot ibatrei jar hakakam Nongthohkot jong i hendrei iladep bat ban Thoh bat Pynmih Haduh khat Tylli ki kot ya ka ba ila Thoh hakakdin khasi Bengali bat English bat la ban ong ba idei I bilingual author kum ba chukot hakakdin nongwei ka ba khampla kalong ba kum urang ba na kajat ban ru Bengali hoi ubala he lasan hakashnong sora hendrei I Thoh pat ya ki kot jong I hakakdin khasi ya ka ba kum kajat ban ru ni haban ai ka Jingjar I namar ka jingno senyang kabarat ba jong I syaka Thoh kata khasi ngasung kumenro bangayo ban ikhndo bat I hapo ka yengsa jong I harenja jong kanong ba shelong bat ila ais ngobharu yanga Haduh South ki kot jong I ya ka ba ila Thoh hakakdin khasi bat phareng ki ba kantop ya ka Cherrapunji Rain Megalitics of Meghalaya Heritage and Tradition bat ka Ramakrishna Khatam Rita hakakdin khasi. I'm very happy, very delighted to be in your place, Prabhat. Like Sir Prabhat had invited me to his residence, and I'm very happy that I got to witness his publications around 14. And he was a retired subdivisional officer of Public Works Department, Government of Meghalaya in the year 2003. So after his retirement, he had dedicated his life to enrich the literature of Meghalaya. With his 14 publications, I think, sir, you have contributed a lot to Meghalaya literature. So I'm very happy that you have been felicitated many times for your great job, your writing skills, and I'm very happy that you have presented me this very book called the Sri Ramakrishna Katham Mitra Lapanwan Hakakin Khasi Kabanta Kabanangkong. Thank you so much, Sir Prabhat, for giving me this book, which is very, very precious. I will treasure it. It is a gift of life, a gift of knowledge to me. And I think through this book, I will learn a lot about Ramakrishna and many more. So from my side, being a YouTuber, being a poet, being a state government officer, I take this privilege to say thank you. And it is my pleasure to be here in your residence. At your age, happy to see that you are still healthy, you are still strong. And I pray that God will continue to bless you with good health in your post-retirement age, so that you will still be able to contribute the least that you can do to the state, the least that you can do to the society. So God bless you for everything. Thank you so much.
Very happy to get you in my place and present the book.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
And to a poet who is writing also for the people.
Yes. So thank you so much. I receive it with love and affection from you. Briefly about the author. Prabhat Kantipal was born in Cherrapunji in the year 1945. Educated in Brahmo Samaj Lower Primary School, Maublai, Cherrapunji from 1952 to 1955 and Ramakrishna Mission High School, Cherrapunji from 1956 to 63. After completed his civil engineering, he joined and served the Assam Cement Company, Cherrapunji from 1960 to 72. Then later, he joined Public Works Department, Meghalaya, and retired as Sub-Divisional Officer, PWD Roads, Meghalaya in 2003. Along with these, he was associated with the Ramakrishna Mission, Cherrapunji since school days, initiated devotee of the Math and Mission member of school and ashram managing committee and technical advisor, and associated with the construction of the predated ancient temples of Devi Jayanti at Natyang and Mahadev Mandir at village Mahadev. Since retirement, he documented his experiences and findings from the survey and resonance association with people in their socio-religious rites and rituals throughout Meghalaya, and constructions of two ancient temples, including Jayanti Temple at Natyang and Mahadev Temple in the village Mahadev. These are the few books that were at his credit: Charapanji Rain, Devi Jayanti in Bangla and Khasi, Heritage and Tradition, Meghalaya Rajar Hindu Pritashan, Upapit O Divoshatan, Sacred and Holy Places of Lord Shiva in and around Shillong, Srimad Bhagavad Gita translated into Khasi, Gitanjali translated into Khasi, Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita in 2 volumes translated into Khasi, Megalithics of Meghalaya, A Pilgrimage to Maublai Mausanram, Biography of 108 Prabhupada Sri Radharaman Goswami, Ancient Civilizations of Purbadesh. His publications includes Discovery of Jayanti Peeth, A Biogenetic Sacred and Holy Existence of Lord Shiva at Maublai, Mausanram, Khor Ramha and Sandai, an Asian stone sculpture of Lord Ganesh and a pond with an elephant embodiment at Sandai, and 2 burned, damaged and destroyed temples in the Shiva Pilgrim Sandai at Jayanti Hills. Paralok Bleshibon Yakapor Chongpi Snowba Watlet Ban like, share, comments, but kumjoro ban subscribe Yakadik YouTube channel Jonga Nakamanta QA but ki video.